Yo guys, what is going on, and thank you for checking out the video. As you can tell by the title of the video, the goal of today's video, at least right now, is to try to do my longest wheelie. Now, I don't really know how long my longest wheelie is, probably like 1 to 2 minutes, but generally speaking, the reason I put down my wheelies are either A, because my arms are tired, or B, because the road ends. Now, the road ending is something I usually can't solve for, but arms being tired, I can push through that. So, we're going to a long, generally straight road that hopefully doesn't have a ton of traffic right now, and trying to do my longest wheelie. And here we are, MLK Drive. This should be the best option I have as of yet for longest wheelie. So the rules are here pretty simple. We're gonna be doing a sit down wheelie, not a knee knocker, because while I've gotten better at them, I still fatigue a lot quicker. So sit down, can't put your feet down, and aside from that, try not to crash, I guess. All right, let's just send it here. This will be the hardest thing to navigate, I think, will just be this turn. I'll already have to plan on getting passed by cars. Damn, I didn't think about what I should talk about for this whole video, because it's just gonna be a lot of me doing the same thing. Oh well. I wonder what the world record is for longest wheelie on an upgraded Razor. I don't know. Yeah guys, I really appreciate all of those following me. We're at 2.5K on YouTube now. We're at almost 16K on Instagram. So Instagram's been popping off. I guess people just love that short form content. But I appreciate all you guys watching. Still so much to come. Now I'm starting to feel the wrist fatigue. Ah shit, it's a little wet here, huh? I think the goal is I just gotta try to keep this slow. Oh, I fucked it! Damn it! I fucked it. Okay, I'm not upset because I wanted to use this little run thing anyways to gauge how many miles I go. Hopefully we don't have issues with this light, but let's get started. All right, let's just try to keep it slow. I think that'll be our best bet. Try to stay as far right as possible. Really wish I did this on a day where this street was closed to car traffic, but it is what it is. Shoot, maybe I'll just time lapse most of this. So I shouldn't worry about talking, I should worry about wheeling. Oh, and we're getting a little wind here. So guys, it's okay if my foot comes off the pegs. I just don't want to put it on the ground, that's all. So, got a little downhill section here. Got a cop right there. Yep, wrist pump is setting in. Oh, it's setting in for real. Mostly in the right wrist. Hope that cop doesn't turn around. Oh, shoot. I don't know how you guys do it. Wheelie this long. Guess you gotta build up the callus. Sorry guys, I'm talking about fuck all right now. Watch the grate. Ambulance. I don't like that. Like, that's a bad omen. At this point, it's not even skill set. It's just how much your muscles can take. Wish I could do throttle one-handers, then maybe I'd feel a little bit better. Oh, starting to hurt, boys. It's starting to hurt. Oh my goodness. We got this. Push through. Push through, Connor. Watch the cars. I wonder how many minutes I've been going. I wish I had a timer. I think it just said a mile. That was only a mile? What the hell? Alright, we're going for time, not distance, because we could just wheelie at a freaking 100 miles an hour if we're going for distance, but we're going for time. Endurance, baby. Oh, the wind is getting me. Let's slow this thing down. Probably gonna need new pads after this. Oh, I want to quit. I want to quit so bad. Oh, my fucking arms. I'm gonna be so sore tomorrow. Push through. Push through it. I wonder if this would be easier with a welded freewheel. After riding with my boy Miles, he had that black Razor in my last video. I think I'm gonna weld my freewheel. He says it's so much better. Almost lost it there. Almost lost it again. Oh my goodness, we gotta slow down. Oh my gosh. Oh, my hands, so sore. All right, let's see how long that was. It was probably like 30 seconds. Oh, the wrist pump is real. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I just did some quick math looking at the Map My Run thing, and I just counted the seconds in the video basically from when I started wheeling to when I stopped. Pretty sure I'm at about 4 minutes and 19 seconds though. Now, ironically, Brad, also known as That Razor Kid, posted this video 5 months ago. World record wheelie 72 volt razor. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. And you know, Brad actually started wheeling at, let's see, 3 seconds, and he stopped at 4:03. So, sorry Brad, beat your record, longest wheelie on a razor, and this is with a non-welded freewheel, so maybe once we weld this it'll be even easier. But thank you so much for watching, guys. There's still so much content to come, but make sure you're subscribed, make sure you're following me on Instagram, Connor G Media, but I will catch you next time. Peace.